Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup TurboTax returns for multiple IRS years. To backup your TurboTax returns for multiple IRS years, start by launching the TurboTax application on your computer. Once the application is open, navigate to the primary menu on the top left corner. Click on File to access file management options. From the drop-down menu, select Save As to create a copy of your return. Choose the location on your computer where you want to store the backup. Ensure you name the file clearly, including the tax year for easy identification. Repeat this process for each tax return you wish to backup. Now, locate the backup files you just created on your computer. To further secure your backups, consider transferring them to an external hard drive. Connect your external hard drive to your computer. Drag and drop the TurboTax backup files into the external drive. Alternatively, you can copy the files and paste them into the external drive's folder. Another option is to use cloud storage for an additional layer of security. Log in to your preferred cloud storage service. Upload the backed up TurboTax files directly to your cloud account. Verify that all files are successfully uploaded by checking their status. It's also wise to periodically check your backup files for accessibility. If you need to access a return, open TurboTax and select Open from the File menu. Navigate to the location of your backup files to retrieve the desired return. By following these steps, you can ensure that your TurboTax returns are securely backed up for multiple IRS years. Keep these backup files in a safe location for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.